Hello, my name's Becky from So Much More. I'm potting up my tomato plants today and I have one very simple trick to show you which will help you grow nice, stout, sturdy tomato plants that are able to support a lot of fruit for the entire season ahead. A nice thick stem is really important for your tomatoes, so if they've gotten a little bit leggy, a bit etiolated over the last month, this trick will help to just reset them back. Tomatoes have one brilliant adaptation. It's called adventitious roots. Adventitious roots on a tomato plant are roots that come straight out of the middle of the stem. So what happens when we bury the stem is that the stem becomes part of the root system. So here's how I'm going to pot up my tomatoes to take advantage of the adventitious roots. I want to pot up my tomato plants when they're ready. Now I sowed one seed per module, and at the moment the top of the plant is looking to be slightly bigger than the module. So the leaves are slightly wider than the module and the height is slightly greater than the depth of the module as well, and that's about the right time to plant it out. We need to assume that the root system is going to be around the same size as the system of the plant above the ground as well. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to gently take the plant by a leaf. I'm going to push up from underneath and ease the plant out of its module. Then I'm going to take a pot and I'm going to drop the plant right into the bottom of the pot. From here I'm going to backfill it. You can see that I'm covering up the stem of the tomato plant and I'm going to bury it right up to those seed leaves. Once I've done this, I'm going to give it a good amount of water just to make sure that the compost is in good contact with the roots. And this is a really good sized tomato plant to be heading out into my polytunnel in about a month when the risk of frost has passed. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back soon with more. Bye!